For today, I decided to make a separate video just for one project because I'm so extremely bullish about it. It has such a bright future. Without further ado, let's go. I'm Lesa, this is NFT Rex. Yeah, it is the ESION project, and it is a 10,000 pieces Genesis NFT collection, and they already have 45k followers, which is huge if you take into account they have started this quite recently. Yeah, so this is another anime collection, and it does not really remind me of anything. This is full Japanese anime style. Yes, the art is looking just off the hood. I'm in love with it, and there are even waifus for the people indulging in those. And I don't know, the art looks off the charts, and even this animated. Look at this. It looks like it jumped out of some Japanese anime. I'd love to watch this one. So yes, this has such huge potential. I cannot wait to see what's gonna happen next with this project. And this project is started by this very famous artist in Korea, a singer, and there are words that this may be connected with a song. So each NFT could be connected with some kind of music. So this is kind of new. I'm looking forward to seeing what's gonna happen. We didn't seem to get that much information over there. So let's go to Discord. And over here we have everything. So the announcements. Yes, they have announced the first one, so it was on 13th of April, so we are super early for this one, and there are already so many people interested in it, saying this is the next AZUKI, but yeah, who knows, it might as well be. And as always, you can see the links, the founder, and the artist, and yes, engineering advisor, Beautiful Noise Agency, so all of them are fully doxed, which of course all of us really enjoy just to see that. And there are of course some sneak peeks and looking really cool. Okay, this one kind of is surprising for me, just kind of cool people, very killers with guns and knives, and this is just a cute guy over here holding a letter or something. So yeah, there always has to be that kind of a cute character in every anime. I'm not a huge fan of those, but this art looks just beautiful. Yeah, Discord is still open. Nobody can say if it's gonna be open forever, but I would not hold my horses on this one. So it is an upcoming 10,000 generative art and music project founded by Mommy-san. Okay, Mommy-san, and with art by Lindy. Check their socials. Okay, they're in the official links. You can check out those guys. And who is the founder? Yes, it is the lead of the Korean hip-hop label Beautiful Noise. I've never heard of it, but yes, I think he's a big name in the Korean music industry. And of course, the big question, as always, how to get your whitelist. So the whitelist role will be named The Awakened. Oh, the mechanics to earning this role still to be announced. Please keep up to date. Announcement channel for details. So we still do not know how to get those whitelists, but we should just keep our eyes and ears open. And of course the general chat, it is a really friendly place. People are just talking about anime most of the time and just being helpful and asking each other questions. So maybe there is a bit of grind over there. Nobody still knows how to get the whitelist, but levels can never hurt. Okay, so is this the next AZUKI? I do not know. I do not know. Many people are really hyped about this project, myself included. So keep your eyes, ears open as always. Do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. As always, guys, may the odds be ever in your favor. Bye.